Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can open a PDF file on your Android TV. So of course, on your Android TV, just head over to Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just start searching for PDF Viewer. Then press enter. So of course, to open a PDF file on your Android TV, you're going to need to use a tool or an app like this that can help you open the file. There are a lot of options here that you can choose from, but we're going to try and use Adobe Acrobat Reader. Just click on it, then click on Install. So from here, you're going to be asked which device you want to download this app from. So all you have to do is choose your Android TV, then just click on install. You might also be asked to log into your Google account. Just log in, then wait for the installation to be completed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!